Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to English class. The previous class I taught lesson The Wise Parrot. Today I'm going to explain meanings from that lesson. Okay? So you must take out your notes and write these meanings in your notebook. Okay? Yes, right. The first meaning, fond. The meaning of fond is affectionate. Next, foretell. Foretell means tell before telling. Beforehand. Next, fortune. Good or bad luck? Good or bad luck? Next, consult. Ask for an advice or opinion. Next, hurt. To feel or to cause pain to somebody. Next, loyalty. Being faithful. Certainly. Surely. Immorality. Immortality. Quality of being. Quality of being. Alive forever. Okay, listen students first. I'll explain these meanings. Remaining alive, I will read later. First one, find. What is the meaning of find? Sorry, fond. Fond means affectionate, lovingly. Okay. So who is found here? The parrot Satyavan is found to the Rudaldev, the king Rudaldev. Okay. So he liked that Satyavan. Here found means he liked the Satyavan. Foretell. Foretell means tell beforehand. That means pretend about the future. Okay, predict about the future, what will happen in the future, that we have to say before. Okay, that is called foretell. Next, fortune. Fortune means good or bad luck. Actually we can say it is a good luck. Okay. Next, consult. Ask for an advice or opinion. So asking consult here, king consult the Satyavan to for advices or everything whatever he wants to do before he asked the parrot Satyavan. Okay. Next, hurt. To feel or to cause pain to somebody. So hurt means if somebody says something to others, so they feel something bad. Okay. Why he said like that? We feel sad. So that feeling is called hurt. Okay. Next, loyalty. Being faithful. So here, parrot Satyavan is showing the faithfulness towards the king, right? So it shows the loyalty towards the king. Next, certainly. Certainly means surely. Okay, compulsory, surely. Right? Immortality. Immortality means quality of being alive forever. So Immortality means nothing but long life. Okay, we don't have death. That is long life. Okay, these are the meanings here. I will erase and write remaining meanings. Okay. Okay, right fast now. Next, partake. Partake. So what is the meaning of partake here? Eat or drink something. Eat or drink something, especially that is offered to us. Especially that is offered to us. So here, what is the meaning of partake? Eat or drink something, especially that is offered to us. So if someone asked you to eat some fruits or drink some juice, so if someone offered that, that means offering here what we call that partake. That means take it. Okay, consume or take. Curious. So what is the meaning of curious? Eager to know. Eager to know. Next. Next meaning, curious means eager to know. Okay, know something. Delighted. Greatly pleased. Greatly pleased. Okay, so delighted means greatly pleased. That means still happy. Okay, next. Feasting. Feasting means here a special meal. A special meal for a lot of people to celebrate something feel joy. Something feel joy. So here, what is the meaning of feast? Feast means a special meal for a lot of people to celebrate something, feel joy. So here, when the feast they have taken, when the parrot Satyavan visited his parents at that time, they offered the feasting. So what they offered? They offered special meals to eat to the parents. Why? Because it was eaten after a long time. So that's why they gave dinner. Nothing but dinner, we can say that. Okay, that is party. Next, rejoice. So what is the meaning of rejoice here? Feel joy. Feel joy or feel happy. Okay? Next. Right? Fast. The next meaning, what is one? Specimen. Specimen means here sample. Sample. Okay? So if something we will buy, if something we will buy, we want to see that whether it is good or bad. At that time, we will take one fruit. For example, you are buying fruit. Okay. So at that time, you want to check whether it is sweet or not. You will take one of the pieces from that. So that is called a sample here. Okay. So here, our Satyavan asked one of the fruit, golden fruit from their garden. Okay, that is called sample fruit. Next, precious. Precious means of great value. Of great value. Think about valuable. Okay, precious means valuable. Next, nourished. Nourished means here taking care. Okay, promote the growth. Promote the growth of. That means taking care of the plants. Okay, so that it will grow healthy. Okay, nourish means here promote the growth. So taking great care. Next word, tend. So what is the meaning of tend here? Tend means take care of. Take care of. Tend means taking care of. Dedicated. Dedicated means here set apart for some holy purpose. Some holy purpose. Okay. Look at here. Dedicated means set apart for some holy purpose. That means you something you will offer to God. Whatever you bring, first you offer to the God. Okay, whether it is a fruit or sweet or something else, whatever you brought, you offer to the God first. So that means you are going to offer the dedicated to the God. Okay. Next, thunderstruck. So what is the meaning of thunderstruck here? Very surprised. Very surprised and shocked. Thunderstruck means very surprised or shocked. Here, according to our lesson, thunderstruck means the king was very angry because of shock. Okay. Why? Because whom he liked very much, he brought the poisonous fruit. He thought like that. That's why he felt thunderstruck. Okay. Summon. Summon means here to order someone to order someone to appear in court. Okay, look at here. Summon means to order someone to appear in court. That means calling. Okay, to come, calling like that, to come to this place or come to that place like that we are calling now. So that calling is called summon. Okay, or invite. Hesitation. Hesitation. So what is the meaning of hesitation here? Hesitation means hold back up. Hold back up. Especially in doubt. In doubt. So what is the meaning of hesitation here? Hold back up, especially in doubt. That means if someone gives you asks you to do some work, so at that time you feel that whether I have to do it or not. That means you are in doubt. In such situation, we can call hesitation. Okay? Shall I write these meanings? Completed, mom? Next one, ingratitude. 22nd, ingratitude. Being not thankful. Being not thankful. Ingratitude means being not thankful. Thankful means gratitude. Ingratitude means not thankful. So even though we are getting something, if we are not saying thanks, so that is called a ingratitude. Okay. Well, in our lesson, the king take care of the bird, the parrot, for a long time, but instead of the bird brought another poisonous fruit. So actually, the king thought like that. So that feeling is called ingratitude. The parrot showed ingratitude towards the king. Flat. Flat means here a secret plan. Secret plan. Next. Struck. Struck means beat. Okay. Flat means a secret plan. Who made the secret plan? Who thought that? The king thought that parrot made the secret plan against him. Right? So that is called a flat. Struck means beat. Who beat in the lesson? The king beat the Satyavan with the stick. Blow. The meaning of blow is strike with hand. Strike with hand. That means nothing but hitting with hand. Okay. Throwing with hand. Next, fence. Fence means here a barrier around the garden. Barrier around the garden. So what is the meaning of fence? A barrier around the garden. So there is one of the plants, they planted one of the tree, right? So that tree, king thought that it was a poisonous tree, so that nobody can eat. He ordered his men to make a fence around the tree. That means make something wall like something, okay, so that nobody can enter into the garden. Dhobi. So what is the meaning of dhobi here? Washerman. Washerman is called dhobi. Okay. Next. Consume. Consume means here eat or drink. Eat or drink. Eat or drink called consume. Just I explained. Right? Yeah. Next one. Devoured. Devoured. Devoured means here consumed, avidly. So devour means consumed heavily. Consume means here nothing but eat. Eat avidly. So without any interest. Eat without any interest. Who ate? Who devoured here? Washerman and his wife ate that fruit so that they can die. But why they eat? They eat they like the fruit, that's why they ate. No, they want to die, that's why they eat. So here devote means eat without any interest. Okay. Exclaim. Exclaim means here cry out suddenly. Cry out suddenly. Exclaim means cry out suddenly. That's sudden expression. Okay. So whether it is a shocking moment or surprising moment, we shout suddenly. Okay. Such feeling is called exclaim. Priest. Priest means a person who qualifies, who is qualified, who is qualified to perform to perform religious duties. Religious duties. Okay. Priest means a person who qualified to perform religious duties. So think what we can call pujari in the temples. So he is called a priest. Okay. Next. Distressed. So distress means a feeling of great worry or unhappiness. A feeling of great worry or unhappiness is called distress. That means unhappy. Sacrifice. Sacrifice means giving up. Giving up of a valued life for the sake of something. So what is the meaning of sacrifice? Giving up of valued life for the sake of something. That means to give something, whatever, if you like something. So if you are giving to someone, that one. So that is called sacrifice. Okay. Even though you like it very much, you have given to someone else. Okay. So that feeling is called sacrifice. Okay. Next. Owing to. Owing to. Owing to means here because of. Because of. That means reason. We are saying the reason. Suspicious. Suspicious. Suspicious means a feeling that someone is guilty. Forgiveness. suspicious, a feeling that someone is guilty. So, doubting, suspicious means doubting. Here, the king doubted the parrot, right? So that is. Next, forgiveness means parrot and nothing but sorry. Okay. Next one. Execution. Execution. The act. The act killing somebody especially especially as a legal punishment. As a legal punishment. So look at here the meaning of execution. Execution means the act of killing somebody, especially as a legal punishment. So if someone did something mistake, so they will get the punishment, right? Not only that punishment, they will kill. So in the olden days, the kings, if anybody makes mistake in their kingdom, they will give punishment that to kill that person. So such punishment is called execution. Okay, did you understand? So giving punishment is called an execution, especially the person who made mistakes. Okay. So these are the meanings about the lesson, the wise parrot. Okay. Everyone must learn these meanings, ma. If you learn these meanings, then only we can complete our worksheet. Okay. So today you must learn these meanings and also you can complete your pay notes. Hope you understand today's class. I'm going to conclude here. Okay. Thank you, students.